Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Hyundai Palisade. This SUV has been redesigned to offer more style, comfort, and technology than ever before. If you're in the market for a family-friendly yet luxurious vehicle, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our latest car reviews and updates. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade boasts a striking new look. The front grille is larger and more imposing, framed by sleek LED headlights that give it a bold presence on the road. The redesigned bumper and refined body lines create a sense of modernity and elegance. With its 20-inch alloy wheels and aerodynamic profile, the Palisade is as stylish as it is functional. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a spacious and luxurious cabin. The 2025 Palisade offers 3 rows of seating with ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. Premium materials are used throughout, including soft touch leather and polished wood accents. The ambient lighting system adds a touch of sophistication, perfect for night drives. The centerpiece of the interior is the 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's equipped with the latest tech, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. The digital instrument cluster and head-up display provide all the information you need at a glance. Now, let's look under the hood. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade comes with a robust 3.8-liter V6 engine, delivering 295 horsepower. This SUV provides a smooth and powerful ride, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, enhancing driving comfort. For those conscious of fuel efficiency, Hyundai offers a hybrid variant that combines a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering impressive fuel economy without compromising performance. The all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability in various driving conditions. Hyundai continues to prioritize safety in the 2025 Palisade. The SUV is equipped with the latest Hyundai SmartSense technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. The advanced collision avoidance system can detect pedestrians and cyclists, adding an extra layer of protection. A 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze, while the enhanced airbag system ensures that all passengers are well protected in the event of a collision. One of the highlights of the 2025 Palisade is its practicality. The power-folding third-row seats and hands-free smart liftgate make loading and unloading cargo effortless. The rear seats also come with heating and ventilation options, ensuring that all passengers travel in comfort, regardless of the weather. With multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and ample storage compartments, the Palisade is designed to keep up with the demands of a busy family lifestyle. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade sets a new standard for family SUVs, with its combination of style, comfort, technology, and safety. It's a versatile vehicle that caters to all your needs, whether you're on a daily commute or a long road trip. If you enjoyed our review, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest in the automotive world. This is Bolticroll signing off. See you in the next episode.